With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question, it is given that hydrolysis in statement 1, hydrolysis of NCl3 gives NH4OH and HOCl, while PCl3 on hydrolysis gives you H3PO3 and HCl. The second statement is the difference is due to change in polarity of P and Cl bond in PCl3 in contrast to NNCl bond in NCl3. So let's see what is happening in this question. First of all, let's see the hydrolysis reaction of NCl3. So when NCl3 is hydrolyzed, let's draw its structure, when NCl3 is hydrolyzed in presence of water, when NCl3 is hydrolyzed in presence of water, what actually is formed? When NCl3 is hydrolyzed in presence of water, you get the formation of NH3 plus along with it you get formation of HOCl. Now how many HOCl is formed? So you get the formation of 3 HOCl and this NH3 is formed, right? Now here H2O will be how many H2O? 3, 3, 6. So you can say it will be 3H2O, right? So 3H2O on reaction will definitely give you 3HOCl plus NH3. Now what happens is this NH3 on hydrolysis further gives you ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. So you can see very well that hydrolysis of NCl3 from inorganic chemistry, it's clear that it gives you NH4OH and it gives you HOCl. So which was given also in the first statement. Now what is important to see in this question, in this part? Here the electronegativity, if you take the electronegativity of nitrogen and chlorine, so electronegativity of nitrogen is considered a bit more, is considered a bit higher than chlorine, So due to this, what will happen? There will be a negative delta negative, and here it will be delta positive. Similarly, since oxygen is more electronegative, delta negative here and delta positive here. So what happens is this delta positive ion, this is attacking and that's why you are getting the formation of NH3. Means H atom is getting attached to the N atom, right? So this is how you are getting the formation of NH3 and NH4OH is formed. Why? Because nitrogen is more electronegative, a bit more electronegative than chlorine. So on chlorine, delta positive charge is appearing. Now let's see the part of PCl3 now. So in PCl3, what is happening actually? Let's draw the structure again. So like PCl3, if we draw like this, then PCl3 when it is treated in presence of HOH, that is water, then you are getting the formation of H3PO3 plus HCl. This is how it is formed. H3PO3 plus HCl. Now if you will see the structure of this compound, if you will see its structure, it is like this. P double bond O, you have OH here, and then you have a single H atom. This is the structure of, this is only H3PO3 structure, right? H3PO3. Now what is happening here in this question? Again in water, if you will see, then H plus and H will be delta positive and O will be delta negative. But here in case of phosphorus and chlorine, what happens? In case of phosphorus and chlorine is more electronegative than phosphorus. Chlorine is more electronegative than phosphorus. So if chlorine is more electronegative than phosphorus, then definitely what will happen? On chlorine there will be delta negative charge, and on phosphorus there will be delta positive charge. Due to this factor, this is more polar, right? This is more polar bond, and due to this polarity, the change in polarity, you can see very well here N was having delta negative part and Cl was having delta positive part. But now if you can see here phosphorus is having delta positive and Cl is having delta negative part. So now what will happen? On phosphorus there will be attack of the oxygen, and this is how what will happen, that OH will be replaced with these Cl. So P and OH will be replaced here. So this is how the reaction takes place if you do the hydrolysis. Now if you want to balance this equation, then on balancing what you can write here there will be 3 HCl, and because of which here there will be 3H2, right? So you can see now the equation is completely balanced. So from here you can get very well that due to the change in polarity, you are getting different products due to the change in polarity of NCl3 and PCl3. So you can see very well that due to change in polarity of 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 NCl3 and PCl3, their hydrolysis gives different products, right? So now let's see what should be the correct option. So hydrolysis of NCl3 gives NH4OH and HOCl, yes. PCl3 on hydrolysis gives H3PO3 and HCl, yes. The difference is due to the change in polarity of P. P is having more, chlorine is more electronegative than P, and here you can see nitrogen is more electronegative than Cl in NCl3. So you can see yes, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and yes, statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. That is why on hydrolysis they are giving two different products because of the change in polarity just now explained. So the first option is correct. So we will write here option 1 is correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.